going to see about list. Okay, so what does mean by list? Means a list is a series of nodes. That is called as list. Okay, the list can be classified into three types. One is linked list, other one is cursor, other one is pointer, right? So now we are going to see about deeply in linked list. The linked list is divided into four types. The first one is singly linked list, second one is doubly linked list, and then third one is circular linked list, and fourth one is the singular and circular and doubly linked list. Okay, now we are going to see about briefly. Right. Now this is a type of linked list. Now we are going to see about singly linked list. The singly linked list consists of two parts. One is this is called as data part, and this one is called as address of the next link. Okay. So the main syntax of the singly linked list is the series of node is known as list. Okay. So first we are going to see about the structure of the singly linked list. What is structure of singly linked list means? Always the linked list started with this is your head node. Always started with head node and always ended with null pointer. This is the basic syntax used for the singly linked list, right? So now we are going to insert the element. Okay. So how we are going to insert the elements? We are going to follow this rule. What is the rule? Means first we are going to say enter the data. Other one is address of the next pointer. Okay. Next node. This is called as node. This part is called as address of the data element. This is called as address of the next node, right? So next one is doubly linked list. The doubly linked list consists of three parts. This is the address of the previous link. This is the address of the after the node. This is the data. Okay, this is the syntax for doubly linked list. Okay, what is meant by circular linked list? The difference between the singly linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list is the circular linked list every ended and they started with starting point is ending point. They have a no ending point. Okay, that is the difference between the doubly linked list and then circular linked list. Okay, right. So now we are going to see about the example for the singly linked list and then doubly linked list. Okay. So what is the general syntax for singly linked list? The singly linked list is always started with two things. You have a two compartment. So this compartment is data part. Okay. This compartment is address of the next element. Okay. So now we are going to see about how to insert the data. For example, I am going to take the element 10, 20, 30. 40 and then 50. Okay, this is the element we are going to insert in the node. What is the address is always started with 100, 200 and then 300 and then 400 and then 500. Okay, now we are going to see about how to construct a singly linked list. Okay, so always the node is started with head and then this is the we are going to insert the element. Sorry, we are doesn't enter the element. So we are moving with the second one. So we are first what is we are going to do? We have to create the node and then insert the element 10. Address of the node is 100. Okay. So what is the general syntax for your first node? At head and then address of the next node. What is the address of the next node? 100. I am going to place here. So now again I am going to create a new node. Why I am going to create a new node? Because I am going to insert the element 10 and then after I am going to insert the element 20. So I am going to create a new node. So I am going to place the node and then I put the name as 200. What element we are going to insert? 20. Okay. So what we are going to place here? What is the address of the next node? This is the node 1. This is node 2. Okay. So here I am going to place the address of node 1. What is the address of node 1? 200. So I am going to place here. Now again I am going to insert the other element 30. So I am going to create a new node with the name of N3. Okay. What is the address of this node? 300 and then place the element as 30. Here what I am going to place? Always you know the syntax is this is your element, this is your address of the next node. What is the address of the next node? 300. So I am going to place here. Again I am going to insert the element 40. So I am going to create a new node with the name of N4. Okay. Here I am going to place the 40 and then here I am going to place what is I am going to place? Address of the next element. I doesn't know what is the address of the next element. Okay. But here I know what is the address of the next element. Here 400 is the address of this N4 element. So I am going to place 400 here. Okay. Then still one more element is there. So I am going to create a new element. So I am going to create a new node with the name of N5 and then address is 500. Okay. Here what is the element is pending here? 50 is pending there. So I am going to place here 50. Okay. What I am going to place here? Address of the next node. The 500 is address of next node. So I am going to place here. Okay. Then what is the syntax? We are going to follow the singly linked list. Always started with head and then always ended with null pointer. So I am going to place this null pointer. Okay. This is your example for singly linked list. Okay. Now we are going to see about how going to insert the element in middle and then for beginning and then end of the node. Okay.